Okay, so let me go over the actual design of these shoes in themselves. This is a very lightweight, kind of all-around trainer slash hiker or something like that. If you're looking for a pair of shoes that has an excellent grip and a very wide toe box with a breathable upper mesh, this might be the shoe for you. They're easily slipped on and off through this back area right here. They have a wide toe box that gives you more stability and grip in the front, and the actual outsole tread is a very nice tread. I was impressed with this tread for walking on rocks, jumping around on limbs, and kind of stepping over things. And the weight on these things is almost nothing. It's a very lightweight shoe. Like if you get them wet or anything like that, you can wear them barefooted. So this is a shoe that I would recommend for anyone that just wants to get something that's kind of a good all-around shoe that comes in at a variable, affordable cost. And they come in a wide variety of colors. I got mine in the black here because I seem to always get my shoes very dirty. But I've been very pleased with these over the past couple of weeks, putting them to the test. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the all-around kind of hiking workout shoe. See you all in the next video.